Hi everyone, today we're going to be making pineapple lumpias just like you can get at Pongu Pongu in Disney World's Animal Kingdom. Powdered sugar, cream cheese, crushed pineapple, egg roll wrappers, a mixing bowl, a little cup of water, melted butter, and sugar.
You want to make sure that your cream cheese is softened. We've had ours sitting out for a few hours. So you're just going to dump that into the bowl first. Really messy.
Get out! I forced you to get out. I have the force. Maybe not. Then add a half cup of pineapple, a
fourth
cup of powdered sugar.
And we forgot to
mention that we need some vanilla.
Yes, we need vanilla extract.
Now we are going to pour 1 teaspoon of vanilla in the bowl. And now we're gonna mix.
Have our mixture all ready to go. So what we're going to be doing is putting a spoonful on the egg roll wrapper. And then we're going to use our cup of water and our finger to moisten the edges here. Okay, then we're going to wrap it over and tuck in. And then we're going to fold our flaps in, fold in, moisten the edges of the last part.
Looks delicious already.
Hadley, I'm going to hand the camera to you because I'm going to need both my hands for this. Okay. And then you're going to roll. And there's our first one. Okay. So then Hadley's job, I'm going to be rolling. Hadley's job is going to be to dip them into the butter and then dip them into the sugar.
It's an amazing job for me because remember I used to eat butter?
Yeah.
You would always find
on the cookie sheet.
You would always find little.
All right, so we're going to be baking these, not frying them. If you get them at Pongu Pongu, they are fried, but we're going to be baking them. We didn't have much successful frying our last set of egg rolls.
No.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started with this.
now for 400 degrees.
Yep, 400 degrees for 15 minutes. So in they go. I'm really excited about this, aren't you?
Yeah.
Flour.
That's like the prettiest one there is.
Yes. This one did turn out really pretty. And this is our finished product. So Hadley's going to give us a taste test. Hot? Is it too hot still?
Let's see about this.
Oh, show us who you have.
Oh yeah, and I have
Helping her taste test is Natiri. She got from Pandora. We thought since the snack is from Pandora, it would be fitting to have her friend from Pandora. So, did you taste it yet? Ah! Do you remember how hard it was to eat these at Animal Kingdom?
Yes.
How does it taste though?
Good.
Good? Messy?
Yes, messy, very hot.
But pineapple-y deliciousness?
Yes.
So 2 thumbs up. We will link the recipe we used in the description below. But we hope you enjoyed our video and that maybe you can make pineapple lumpias at home too.
It is not only 2 thumbs up, we give it 1 million thumbs up.
1 million thumbs up, you heard it here. So that is all for today. Thanks for cooking with me and Hadley. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and we will see you on our next adventure, which will be at home again.
Yes.
All right. Bye.
Bye.